Welcome to another fantastic day with your boy Kari, man. We are back in the warehouse, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to use a machine called the inverter. What the inverter is used for is to invert pallets, which means to flip pallets upside down, and basically so you can switch out the pallets or whatever, the actual pallet itself, because sometimes, like this one, it'll be broke as hell, and they don't like that. So if they broke as hell like this, a lot of times we just gotta switch them out, and that's why we got this machine right here. This is called the inverter, and what this does, we're gonna take the pallet right here, we're gonna put it right here, and then we cut it on, and we use these controls to flip it, and then we get a pallet and we switch it. So I'm gonna be going over that whole process with y'all, and hopefully y'all enjoy the video, man. Look, like the video if y'all like the video. Comment down below if you got questions or anything like that. And man, look, y'all need to be having a fantastic day today, because I'm having a fantastic day, even though I'm in this fucking cold ass warehouse right now. You know what I'm saying? So let's start fucking flipping this pallet. My bad, y'all. I had seen somebody, they was lurking on me right quick. I had to drop the phone, you know what I'm saying? But nah, look, y'all. So I'm trying to teach y'all something, and they don't want me to teach y'all, man. They don't want me to learn y'all something today. But the inverter is mainly used to provide quality, you feel me? Because you don't want to be sending people busted ass pallets that's going to make it difficult for them to remove the product when they get it, you know what I'm saying? So when you have broke pallets, you got to switch them out. And it's also used for, like, if you have damaged boxes at the bottom of the stack and stuff like that. So look, you can see that pallet right here, right? If it's damaged boxes at the bottom, the inverter is good. So you can take those, you can flip the pallet, and you can take those boxes at the bottom, and then you can make those, basically you can take those off and then still have a good pallet, you feel me? But then also to just make sure your pallet itself, the actual wooden pallet, is actually functional, you know what I'm saying, and not falling all over the place, putting wood chips everywhere, fucking giving niggas splinters and shit. You need to have some good pallets to hold some good product, you feel me? So with that being said, that was how you use an inverter. Thank you guys for watching the video. Your boy Kari is out. Peace.